Hi, I am Madhura Sindhura. She is learning Bharatanatyam and vocal music in Dr. TVG Aima's Pallikarne branch from Haripriya ma'am and Kanchana ma'am. Aima is doing a very great job by engaging the small kids when where it is difficult to engage the small kids when they are not able to go out of their home. During this quarantine period, they are doing a very great job by conducting the classes regularly and in the weekends having some fun activities like Pantakshri and quiz time. Talking about the facilitators, Haripriya ma'am and Kanchana ma'am both are doing a very great job in their respective fields. They correct the children. They watch each and every child in their performance, whether they are doing any mistakes. They encourage the children and they give their full time and energy to rectify the children as they are till they are satisfied. During this 2 months of time, I have been with my ward in each and every class. I sit beside her, not to watch the child or the teacher, but to get the feedback from the teacher when whether my ward is doing any mistake, and so that I can rectify her. Uh, I hope this quarantine period gets over very soon and we all meet face to face. Children have their own time to run in the fields with their whole energy, and everything life normalizes, everything goes on smoothly. Thank you, TVG Aima, for giving the opportunity to the kids to perform through some competitions and through some these kind of activities to showcase their talents, to keep them engaged productively in this period. Thank you so much. We look forward to many more activities, and soon we pray that we'll meet face to face. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Nitya, mother of Shriya and Srinidhi from Aima Pallikaranai. They are learning both art and music from Aima, and thank you very much for your extra effort for making these online classes during this quarantine time. Really, I understood that it took much effort for this coordination and cooperation. Really, kudos to you all. And one more thing, you have put in creative effort to engage our kids with a lot of fun. Yes, it's a quiz competition during weekend. Really, kids are eagerly waiting for that in weekend. And please continue this even after quarantine time. A special thanks to Nirmala ma'am for teaching our kids with lots and lots of patience in online classes. Thank you, Nirmala ma'am. And apart from that, I have two suggestions. If it is convenient for you, please consider that also. First one is, since as you know that schools are getting started very soon, please conduct online classes during weekend as usual, regular classes, so that it will not abrupt any one of the items. And next one is art class in online. I know it's very difficult to conduct an online art class, but please consider that also, since they are also eagerly waiting to get into that class. And thank you very much, Aima. All the very best.
Hi, I'm Kritika here. I'm Anjana's mom. Anjana has been learning vocal and keyboard for the past 1 year with TVG Academy, TVG AIMA, and we want to share a lot of good experiences with TVG AIMA. This is the first year for us also with TVG AIMA where we're a little excited in the start when we were starting, and the excitement did not go down at all, definitely, right? It's been a year definitely for her, and close to a year, yeah, where she's learning both keyboard and vocal here. And overall, I think she's more excited in the singing, which is very positive. And the most important thing that at least I look into it is she looks forward for the next class, right? That is what is the most important for every kid, whatever they are learning. That's the most important part for them, which is something which is very important. I consider that very, very important for me, at least. The teaching model itself is a little different in AIMA, where they have a different way of teaching things. It's not only on the theory, but they have their own curriculum, and then they do it differently, which is definitely interesting to see. They give a lot of flavors for the kid. A lot of diversity comes into picture as well, which gives them a lot of flavor. And moreover, the teachers are very, very friendly, and the kids love playing with them. So that is the most nice thing that you can see. because these kids are below the millennial generation, right? So, and they have a different interest than, at least when I was a kid, I was a little different. They wanted to have fun, play, and then they say hi to teachers, but in my world, I used to say good morning and all of those things, right? So it's a different generation altogether currently. She definitely enjoys being with them, which is very exciting, and they're very friendly, definitely. And not only the teachers, also the support staff members whom they have employed for helping us on these things are definitely very, very friendly in the approach as well. Overall, I think, yeah, I'm very positive with the overall experience of IMA itself, and especially during COVID, they quickly stepped up and to see or to probably experiment on how things could work online or teaching the kids, and the experimentation really came out nicely, and they could really engage the kids during this time, right? So I don't want related to productivity and all those things, because that is something which it's not a nice thing to do it at this stage. But definitely one thing is they were able to engage the kids continuously on this part, which is definitely a very positive thing. They had some offline games, and fun activities as well. They also conducted a couple of events on the weekends where they could bring in the family together and then have a lot of fun with them with the quiz and other things as well, which is really interesting and exciting for the kids. Yeah.
Hi, I am Suja. I am Nidhi's mother. Nidhi is learning dance in TVG IMA for the past 1 year. I appreciate her teacher Amrita and the staff of IMA for conducting online class during this lockdown. My daughter is only 4 years old, and to teach those kids of this age, it's really difficult, and you need a great level of patience and skill. And hats off to her teacher for conducting those classes in a very well manner. And my daughter is also loving those classes so much. And thank you, Ms. Amrita. Thank you, Aima, for engaging my kid during this lockdown. Thank you.
Thank you, Amrita teacher.
Hi ma'am, I'm Uma, mother of Kanmani. My daughter has taken up dance class in your academy. Actually, we are okay only with it, but somehow I feel she can continue this class once the situation gets normalized. That's it. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Gayatri. I'm the mother of Mukund. Mukund is learning Tiny Tots and Sloga in IMA Pallikaranai. Due to the current COVID situation, IMA has arranged the classes in Zoom, for which I'm very much thankful. The classes are very well organized, and we are getting all the information like meeting IDs, timings well ahead, so we don't face any difficulties in joining the session. I'd like to thank the Tiny Tots ma'am and the Sloga sir for conducting the classes effectively. We as a parent will extend our support for all the initiatives taken by IMA. Thank you once again.
Hi everybody, this is Priya and this is my daughter Lenisha. So my daughter is into IMA Academy for the past 3 years, and she's into basic vocal and dance classes. So we had a great experience with the classes being conducted in the Zoom app, and I should really thank the credit goes to the IMA Academy and the teachers in IMA Academy. So initially it was a great fear that my daughter would lose continuity of the classes because of this lockdown. But today, yeah, IMA made it. They proved it that we would also be able to support during the lockdown and classes would continue. So that is really a very special thing.
I would like to thank IMA for the great initiative, that too during this COVID lockdown. So it is a great opportunity for kids. They get to see other kids during the online classes, and also the effective utilization of the time which they have at home now. So I feel because of this online music class, that via Zoom app, where we are able to the clarity, and also we are able to see other kids, and so it's a good one for the kids now. Thanks again IMA for this opportunity. Thank you.
ஐமா ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறது இது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. மை சன் இஸ் வெரி ஹாப்பி டு அட்டெண்ட் த கிளாஸஸ். இன்ஃபேக்ட் அவள் ரொம்ப ரெகுலராக ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறா இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் எடுக்கிறதுனால. it also ensured that he doesn't lose touch with the music, and I'm very happy with the way it is being taught online. The teacher is very supportive, and she teaches the kids very well. Thank you.
It's a great initiative by IMA to take online classes at this time of crisis. Kids spend some quality time. Thank you, IMA.
Thank you, Aima, for continuing part the class even during the lockdown.
Thank you, Viswesh Master. Thank you, Aima. ரொம்ப நல்லா வாசிக்கிறான் and we really like this online class. Thank you so much. Keep it going.